Welcome back to Round Trip Weekend. Today we are visiting the tallest observation deck in the whole California.
Oh, good thing I'm not afraid of heights. Yikes!
Are you ready to slide?
Yes, this glass slide is going to be so much fun. We are right now 1,000 feet and 70 floors above the US Bank Tower in downtown LA. Oh boy, don't want to look over the edge.
I'm not afraid of heights, so I'm super excited to go into that slide and enjoy all the beautiful views from the city that I love.
The best part of this is riding the glass slide that reaches out over the building. It's so much fun.
It is. Oh, oops.
Uh-oh. Here I go.
Best time to visit is right before the sunset, so you can enjoy the beautiful views of Los Angeles.
Thanks so much for watching. Go check it out, and also make sure you subscribe for more fun round trip ideas. Woohoo!